Our next speaker is Gabriel Dufour. Gabriel serves as the head of business development at Pennakem, Europa since October 2020. His role is to lead business development activities of EcoXtract technology, define the commercial marketing strategy, and identify the paths to put this technical innovation on the market. Gabriel holds an MSc in Food, Agricultural, and Life Sciences from AgroParis Tech and a master's in Energy Economics and Sustainable Development from IFP School. Gabriel began his career working in the oil and protein industry with Avril Group in France, where he was involved in the strategy and corporate development department. In 2017, he joined Lesaffre Group, a world leader in fermentation and yeasts, where he held positions in strategic products checks coordination and business development for nutrition and healthcare industries. Gabriel?
Hello everyone, I'm delighted to have the opportunity to share with you today the recent achievement in the development of EcoXtract, our bio-based and safe extraction technology to produce plant-based oils and proteins. Before introducing EcoXtract, I will say a few words about Menafin, the group supporting the development of this innovative solution. Menafin Group is a French-Belgian company specialized in the manufacturing of fine chemicals with two main businesses. First, the production of active pharmaceutical ingredients, and second, bio-based chemistry targeting diverse market applications. You can see on the right side of this slide the key figures of our company with approximately 235 million euros revenue last year and 900 employees across the world. Within Menafin Group, we have built a science-driven team developing bio-based extraction solutions to produce natural ingredients used for many consumer products in food, feed, or cosmetic applications. The ambition of this team is to promote eco-extraction processes and the use of bio-based and safe products to eliminate toxic petroleum derivatives in food and personal care value chains. The removal of hexane from the processing pipelines is one of the main areas of opportunity for innovation and food security improvement in the oilseeds industry. And one of the main challenges is to maintain a high level of performance in lipids extraction while maintaining the affordability of final product. Our lead technology, EcoXtract, is using a bio-based solvent produced from non-food biomass, the methyloxolane, to extract efficiently lipid fraction from plant material to produce vegetable oils and proteins. Performance, sustainability, safety, and scalability are the four main pillars of our solution. And I'm going to detail each of these pillars in my presentation, starting with performance features. Our bio-based lipophilic solvent can extract almost all the oil in any kind of seeds or biological matrix. After extraction, only about 0.5 to 1% of residual oil remains. Our R&D team showed that it was at least efficient for this non-exhaustive list of oil-rich feedstock. From a technical point of view, the methyloxolane stands somewhere between hexane and ethanol. It is mainly nonpolar, fully miscible with lipids, and compared with hexane, it has the particularity of exhibiting a better affinity for triglycerides, phospholipids, tocopherols, and polyphenols. It has been validated at lab, pilot, and small industrial scales that methyloxolane is showing similar oil extraction yield when compared to hexane. For example, pilot trials on soy and small industrial scale trials on canola showed that we can achieve a residual oil content in meal below 1%. Crude oils are generally richer in phospholipids, tocopherols, and polyphenols with EcoXtract due to the slight solubility of our solvent with water. Now let's focus on the environmental benefits of our solution. EcoXtract is using a bio-based and renewable solvent produced from non-food biomass. Methyloxolane is a plant-based molecule derived from furfural, a platform molecule produced from abundant hemicellulose-rich sources such as corn cobs or sugarcane bagasse. This product is upcycled from low-value food waste and thus does not require the cultivation of additional land for its production. It is recognized as a 100 bio-based product by the USDA Bio-Preferred program. Our company, Pennakem, within Pennakem Group, is already manufacturing for more than 10 years at commercial scale the methyloxolane in a factory located in the United States, in Memphis, Tennessee, more precisely. And why? Because this solvent is already largely used in the pharma industry, several thousand tons per year, to replace some toxic solvents used in the synthesis of pharma actives. The reduction of non-renewable carbon emissions into the atmosphere is obviously one of the main advantages of our solution. A life cycle analysis conducted by Rowan University in 2016 is showing a 90% decrease in CO2 footprint to produce the methyloxolane bio-based solvent when compared to generic petrochemical materials used in the pharma industry. Now let's talk about safety, which is probably the main benefit of our solution. Safety for consumers has recently been validated by the European Food Safety Authority, and this is one of our major achievements in the past few months. On March 2022, the EFSA has officially reported that methyloxolane is safe to be used as extraction solvent for food processing. After reviewing a full application dossier, including state-of-the-art scientific studies performed under latest standards, the panel of EFSA experts has concluded that the methyloxolane does not raise any safety concerns when used according to the intended condition and at the proposed maximum residual limits. This is a major step forward in our development, and this very positive news will enable to speed up our food market approvals in various regions, especially in Europe and North America. In addition to safety for final consumers, the product is also proven safe for operators working in extraction facilities, not requiring any medical follow-up, for example. The solution is also non-toxic and safe for the environment, as the product is known to be biodegradable and is showing no adverse effect to the aquatic environment. It is also not classified as hazardous air pollutant, for example. Fourth and last pillar of EcoXtract solution, scalability. Due to its technical properties, the use of methyloxolane is compatible with existing industrial extraction equipment. It can be implemented in existing commercial scale extraction facilities with no significant modifications, using the same exact extraction equipment and solvent recovery equipment. In June 2021, a European grant was awarded to our company along with a consortium of 4 partners by the European Commission under the Horizon 2021 program. This funding allowed to slightly modify the hexane-based extraction unit of New Holland Extraction, based in the UK. This 10 to 15 ton per day extraction unit is now able to operate with EcoXtract or hexane. First production campaigns with EcoXtract were carried out on soy and other feedstocks during Q4 2021 with very promising results respect to the efficiency of extraction and solvent recovery in a continuous mode. The next steps in the scale-up of our innovative process is to perform additional trials on this demonstration unit in the UK using different oilseeds to optimize the process parameters. We also expect to retrofit other extraction units in the world in the coming month. And another significant area of work for our technical team is the design of greenfield units using our process from the beginning in close collaboration with oilseeds engineering companies. Based on our experience, we know the main modifications needed to switch from an hexane-based unit to an EcoXtract one. First, we need to check the polymeric materials in the gaskets, seals, and so on, because some of them are not always compatible with the use of our product. So this is the first step to switch from hexane to our solution. Check the gaskets and the polymeric materials mainly. The second step is to replace the reboiler by a distillation column, because with the slight solubility of water of our product, there is more solvent in the water phase after liquid decantation, and we need to have this distillation column to make sure that we can maximize the solvent recovery. In addition, it is possible to replace the mineral oil system by a water scrubber to cap the solvent vapors in the vent. And so it is possible to operate without any petrochemical in the plant, doing so and avoiding the contamination of oils, of vegetable oils with mineral oils. A few words on the regulatory status of methyloxolane use in various markets. So first, in the pharma industry, the product is already used for more than 10 years. It is classified as a low toxicity solvent in the same classification as ethanol in the pharma guidelines. For cosmetic applications, the product can be used for the production of Cosmos certified cosmetic oils and ingredients, so allowing to produce Cosmos approved natural and organic ingredients. For the food applications in Europe, now that we got the green light from EFSA in March 2022, we expect that methyloxolane will be listed in the coming weeks in the list of approved solvents for the food processing in the Directive 2009/32. In North America, we expect an approval during the second semester of 2022 through a food contact substance procedure. We also expect to get the approval for Australia market in 2023 for food applications. In feed applications, the methyloxolane is already authorized for use in Europe and China. We expect to get the organic certification during the first semester of 2023. And we'll target also the organic certification for food in Europe and North America. Okay, I will use this last slide as a conclusion. As you understood, EcoXtract has made significant progress the past few months. We've made significant progress with regulatory topics, and EFSA positive opinion will help to speed up our market approvals in various geographies. We also made significant progress in the industrial scale-up of our solution with the conversion of a first hexane-based unit to our solution. Our objective is clearly to bring on the market an innovative solution offering an unprecedented market differentiation for the oilseeds industry to produce food, feed, and cosmetic ingredients in a sustainable, safe, and competitive way using a bio-based extraction technology. Thank you very much for attending this session. Unfortunately, I won't be available for the Q&A session, but feel free to contact me directly if you have any question. Thank you again. Bye-bye.